Hello, assalamu alaikum, beautiful people. How are you? I hope you all are fine and doing good. So today we are gonna make turai with dal masoor. So here I'm taking rich gourd. It's about half kg and it's normally sliced, as you can see. So here I'm taking 1.5 tablespoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of allspice powder, 5 to 6 green chilies. We will use it later. And masoor dal, whatever. And coriander leaves 2 tablespoon, 1 large tomato which is roughly chopped, 2 medium onion which is normally sliced, and 1.5 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. So let's start making it without wasting any time. First of all, heat up the oil. So bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. First of all, I'm gonna add the cumin powder, then ginger garlic paste, turmeric powder, red chili powder, water, little bit. Saute it for like 5 minutes. Salt to taste, or salt 1 teaspoon. Add the tomatoes. One cup of water. Cook it for like 5 minutes and cook it on a medium flame. Like after 5 minutes, we will add the pulses and rich gourd, which is turai. Add here all. So now we will cook it. So now I'm adding here around 2 bowls of water. So we have to make it tender completely to make sure the pulses will get tender. So now we will cover it and cook it on medium flame. After 1 hour, it's completely tender. The allspice powder, leaves. Wait a minute. And green chilies. So now for tadka, here some onion brown. It's in a brown, and 2 green chilies. So now we will give it a tadka. So bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. We will simmer it for like 5 minutes on the low flame. This is our final look of Turai Daal. So I hope you guys like this recipe. It's so simple and such a unique recipe, and it's such a quick recipe. So we'll meet you in another video with a new recipe. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.